Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Vicky. Today I'm going to do an unboxing video for small aquarium. I bought this around 47 Singapore dollars from Shopee. I hope to buy this because I wanted to bring some companions to my room. So this one is 20.8 liter 5.5 gallon. When I check the other side, and it's mentioned about the dimension of this package, and this one is the STH20 and this 20.8 liter 5.5 gallon. This is a dimension, so it's mentioned about 411 into 213 and 276 millimeter, and this is made in China. Okay, let's unbox this guy. Okay, this is how they pack the things inside. Let's get one by one. This one, I hope this is the power pack, maybe for this one, maybe for the filter. Yes, this one is the filter, and I have the instruction manual to set up this. Okay, so I think these are the filter that should be removed or cleaned while using this. I need to check out what are these for. I think this is the power pack is different. This one is it's a direct power outlet for the filter. Okay. Okay. I hope this is the roof of this fish tank, and there are some LEDs to power up. I think this one is for this one is for power up this. I've completed the setup of this fish tank and I fixed the filter here, and this is for, I think, feed the fish, and this I connect to the power, the LED inside there. I didn't power on this filter because I haven't put water yet. Today I'm not going to put any fish or anything to this, and I hope to do it after a few days later. This is my personal review for this fish tank, and actually I hope this is pretty good and very cheap one. Packing and everything is very good and poorly packed since I got it from the local place, so it came very quick. I think this can be delivered to anywhere in the world. See you in the next video, guys.